Welcome back to Setup Leisure. This is part 2 of the Swift command control system and control panel. Today we are looking at how to change your clock or other settings which may be in the system settings. So if you press the menu button up or down until you see system settings on the bottom of the screen, press the arrow button which is pointing towards the screen. So the first thing you can set is your hour. Press the button that's pointing towards the screen, and if you can see the time, the hour is now increasing. Stop when you get to the time you want. If you're a bit distracted like myself, you go past it, you're going to have to go all the way around again until you get back to the time you really wanted. Once you've got set your hour, do the same with your minutes. Set your date, again with the arrow pointing into the screen, and your month and your year. Next thing, which may irritate you if you don't like beeping too much, every time you press the button it goes beep, you can turn that off if you wanted to. Backlight time, the backlight screen will go to sleep after approximately 30 seconds. Obviously you can change that again by pressing the arrow button. You can change it to either longer or shorter, or have it continuously on. Same with the little LEDs, you'll see there, with the pump that you switched on, you'll see the LEDs. You can change the timing to that as well if you want to. So just pressing the arrow and it changes the LED time it's lit for. Tank alarm. So if you've got a freshwater tank on your particular model, then you can set an alarm so when it gets low it will beep at you. So that's where you switch it on or off. Bluetooth pair, obviously very important if you're going to use the app. You can Bluetooth connect your phone at that particular point. And if you've got too many on there, then you may need to delete them to set up a new phone or a new iPad or whichever one you got. At the end of that, it's exit settings.